Talk about stocks. Hormus is now putting the spotlight on the top movers in the market.
Yeah, the mid-cap index may be underperforming, but today's day belongs to volumes. And you see the eye-boggling volumes that you're seeing in the first couple of hours of the trading session itself. And you look at IRM Energy first up, and the stock is up around 15%, now 16% almost. It's the biggest single-day gain since April of last year. And the volumes for today's session are already set to cross the highest level since March of this year. So almost at a 6-month high. We've already had 13 lakh shares change hands in the first couple of hours of the trading session. The 20-day average is less than 11,000 shares. That's first. Now it's also broken above all of its key moving averages. It's 50, 100 and the 200 DMA above because of this move today, but has been an underperformer as the IPO price was around 505, so still down around 37% from those levels. Mirza International, the stock was up 15% yesterday. It's extending those gains today, another 13% in today's session, and today's volumes are already almost crossing yesterday's volumes within the first 2 hours of trade. Now we've already had 29 lakh shares being traded already today. The 20-day average is only 75,000 shares. Now, just a couple of days ago, its demerged entity Red Tape had confirmed some searches by the income tax department. Interestingly, Red Tape is also trading with healthy gains in today's session. And Mirza International, courtesy of this 2-day move, has broken above its 50 and 200-day moving average. Not only that, it has also turned positive on a year-to-date basis. The stock of the morning, though, has to be KNR Constructions. The stock was at one point up around 9%. It's cooled off slightly from the highs, up 6% now. It's the biggest single-day gain since June. Volumes are already the highest since November of last year. But take a look at the volumes here. Almost 3 crore shares have already been traded in the first 2 hours of the trading session, compared to a 20-day average of just over 2 lakh shares. And as a result of this move, the stock is now at its 50-day moving average of 207, and the 100-day moving average on the upside is at 213. Another underperformer this year is down around 39% year to date. And the last one on the list is Platinum Industries. The stock listed sometime last year, and it is the biggest single day gain that it has had since listing. And the volumes are already the highest since July of last year. We already had over 50 lakh shares that have traded. And take a look at the 20-day average, only 33,000 shares. And the stock is doubled from its IPO price, but down around 33% from its 52-week high, which is close to around 500 rupees for Platinum Industries.
Okay, all right. Some interesting names there. Thank you so much for joining us with that list, Hormus. Let's move on.